Hello, this is a short video I've made to show how we can use video editing software to clip together different clips or sound and then make our videos look a bit more interesting. This video is being recorded in OBS Studio, but it is about something called OpenShot Video Editor, which is more free software that we can download and we can use to clip together videos. So the purpose of this video is to just demonstrate some of the potential. It's not a full tutorial, but it's just to show how easy it is, really. And that's what we're going to do, getting started in OpenShot. So what I'm going to do first of all is just drag OpenShot into the screen, and you can see there that this is the this is it. And I'll turn my music off and get myself on the screen. This is OpenShot. Lots going on. Down the bottom we have tracks, and if I grab one of my videos, so I'm just looking at a video that's already on my computer, and I drag it from the directory and plonk it into track 1. So straight away we can see that I can preview that. I can move these boxes around, I think, as well. Somehow I can move these boxes. Let's try and move that one over there. There we go, that's better. So this will play. There we go. This will play now. But now it's located in this OpenShot, I can go to the end of the clip and I can shorten the clip. So if I've got too much in it and I've got a rubbish ending, then I can shorten it, and there's an awful lot of shortening there. Then I can grab another clip, I can bring that in and place it just after. Put them up nice and tight, and then once I have gone up to the top and press File, Save Project, Export Project, then that will save that as a single file with one and then the other. What I could also do is I could I could get some music, and I could put some music in to another track, and then I can fade that in, fade that out if I want to at different times. There's these different transitions which are just up here, which I can also drop in to the vision or sound. There we go. And so that will now start with a fade. So if I were to start this at the top, you can see, oh, that's too loud. You can see it starts to fade in. So that's pretty much it in terms of how we use it. There's loads of tricks. You can Google lots of tricks. You can YouTube tricks. But if you're looking for a way of clipping together videos, then you could do much worse than looking at OpenShot. I'll put it back over there. And so the aim of that video was to, there you go. The aim of that video was to introduce you to the idea that there is video editing software around, which is not that difficult to use. It will take longer than the 2 minutes that I've just shown you there, but that was pretty much enough to clip together videos, fade them in, fade them out, add some music once you've got those files in place. So you could talk to camera, you could go outside, video something, clip the two together, and there you go, you've got a single video that you can use in your teaching. So what you need to do now is, if you think that you need to have a go, you would like to have a go at some video editing software, then OpenShot comes highly recommended. Someone recommended it to me, I'm recommending it to you. It's free software, you download it onto your computer, and then you just have a practice and a play. And I hope you found that useful. Thanks a lot for watching.